Is there a magic wand to become independent? Is there something that you can have in yourself that makes you independent, and you being independent cannot be denied by anyone else? Yes, there is something like that. What is it? Right? When I ask this question to people, they say passion, dedication, hard work, smart work, discipline, and many more. Right? But the thing is that one thing that what we have to understand, which we forget most of the time, that which has made us who we are today as a human being on this planet Earth, which is completely distinct from all the other animals, is the mind. But this is the mind which actually creates the fear. It is the mind that creates the anxiety, anger, jealousy, and it creates the emotion and various other things, right? We go through the mental structures, emotional structures, and various other things which will not let us to be on track. But what is that one thing that needs to have in order to become independent, where being independent cannot be denied, is unwavering mind. It is also called as samasthiti. Right? It does not matter whether you are achieving really a greatness or you are going through the very downfall part of your life. It doesn't matter, right? You have an unwavering mind in both the places and you are completely there, right? So that is also called as equanimity, right? So you having that equanimity mind, which will actually make yourself much more stable, because only when the earth is stable, you can build an amazing building. If the earth is always wavering, you would not be able to build it. Yes or no? Right? Which means that learning to handle our own mind is the first step towards you becoming independent. Right? If you have a wavering mind, if you think one time, I want to go for a job, in the morning you'll think, right, I want to go and get a job. Right? In the afternoon you'll think, what is your career that you want to do? I want to do higher studies. In the evening you say IAS, KS and all of that. In the night you say nothing, just enjoy life, right? So it is so much of wavering, right? If your mind is so much of wavering, which means that if you are driving a car, simply you go one direction, other direction, one direction, other direction, then you are not interested in going anywhere. That's what it means. What is unwavering mind means? It is like very distinctly like there, it's there. Whether it is plus or minus, it doesn't matter. I just need to be part of that, and that's very important mindset that you need to have. And if you have that mindset of unwavering mind, you being independent cannot be denied by anyone else.